Hi, Prosper.
Hi. Cheese.
That's so nice. You two boys love each other. What are you giving the little Fluff?
I'm giving him cornflakes.
Little birds love cornflakes, don't they?
Yeah, and also seeds.
And seeds.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Eating them.
Mmm.
Yeah.
Fluff, you spilled some on the floor.
Say.
No, Fluff did, not you, Prosper.
I'm holding him. Here, you already have some.
Oh, here's one. Here's one.
Those are nice kisses.
I like
He's the best little bird pet.
You like your little bird?
cheese. Cheese. Cheese.
Nope, he ate them. I think he wants some more.
Oh, Fluff, help yourself. You boys have so much fun together.
Make sure you're holding him.
It's good to eat crisps, isn't it? Mmm.
I got you, Fluff. Today you won't fall off my lap. I got Fluff. I'm good keeping him safe.
That's good.
Can I have some